This is for Ivan Bates, Governor Westmore, the Department of Justice Eric Barron. It's making a documentary about your prison industry. The judges, the lawyers, and the politicians that get paid to lock black people up. Moses parted the Red Sea. Shorty gonna part some rednecks. That's the Lake County courts. It's making a documentary, and this is proof of it. And y'all already had this, all right? So let's make sure that the world get to see what being black in America is.
Commit a bomb threat for Michael Alport, 641 Quail Creek Drive, Grays Lake, Illinois. Telephone number 224-433-0269. Also 847-548-2611. This is an agreement between Michael Alport, Dwayne G. Davis. We are working together to expose the racially oppressive judicial system in Lake County, Illinois. We're going to write a book and split the money, 35, 35, and 30, to create a non-profit organization to better the community. We all have stories to tell. Corruption. My diary is the main focus of the videos of supporting our stories. This is a binding legal agreement. This is between Michael Alport and me. Michael Alport Googling. He committed the bomb threat, and that's the witness. Anthony Nixon. Anthony Nixon was robbed by one of the drug enforcement agency, Garcia. And what we was doing is making a movie and a documentary about racism in the judicial system. That's me. And that's Michael Alport's lawyer, Doug Ziets. Doug Ziets had pages to the diary. And if Doug Ziets destroyed pages to the diary, Doug Ziets can go to jail for conspiracy, obstruction of justice, and destroying evidence. Doug Ziets is Judge Rosettie's husband. So y'all better do the math. It's all going to add up real soon. That's my address in Baltimore, Maryland, because I mailed it to myself to make sure that I got it. And that phone number, you're going to have to Google that phone. You're going to have to get the information from that phone number. All right?
This is the material that they stole.
These is letters to my sisters and brothers telling them what I want them to do. And
this is the material that they stole from me on February the 6th, 2011. They locked me up and stole this diary and stole this information. That's the Lake County Jail. Public Defender Grant. That's James P. O'Neill. Baltimore County Detention Center. All right? I never got a trial for this case. That's Mr. Grant. And these are the violations that you wrote. That's President Obama, Althea Welsh, Judiciary Committee, Springfield, Maryland, and Lisa Madigan, Attorney General of Illinois. That's President Obama. Ex-felons got a right to vote. That's Westmore. Like I said, I'm looking for exoneration because I never got a trial for this. See that? P.O. Box 38. See that? Please allow 30 to 60 days for agency to respond. I will contact the Department of Justice on your behalf. And y'all never did that. You feel me? You never did that. That's Mr. Grant. So on February the 6th, I applied for Martin Luther King's job. That's the state prosecutor's office. That's Justice Mary Barbera. That's President Biden and the Department of Justice. That's President Trump. That's the IRS. We talking about $250 million. Intellectual property theft. That's Al Redmer. Like I said, I was insured. That's Ben Cardens. That's Brian Frosh. And that's Dwayne G. Davis. Mail theft and vandalism complaint. That's my number, 443-831. From 1/2/2008 to the present date. That's Governor Hogan. Judge Mary Barbera. IRS. Jared Jimenez, because we got a right to vote. Next fellas can vote. That's you right there. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. And that's Governor Westmore. That's weaving in Baltimore. And I'm a weaver. And everything I did, I put it in a book. Building a Better Baltimore. Like I said, that's the courthouse. That's Governor Hogan. That's Fox 45. That's D'Souza. Yeah. See who she is. For filming a documentary. False imprisonment. Barbara Mikulski got it. Commissioner Belfield got it. ABC2 got it. And it's about our rights. Social media for social change. It's about the money you make off black bodies. You feel me? The new face of old Jim Crow. We traded the penitentiary for the plantation, cotton for cocaine, and our kids is the cash crop. Ain't no law against making a movie. It is a law against kidnapping. And you took $250 million for me. That's what the money was worth. That's what the movie was worth. $250 million. Scott Shellenberger would be criminally charged the same way y'all charged Nathan.